Ever wondered what happens when political titans clash in Zimbabwe? Well, this week the political landscape was set ablaze with an exchange of words between opposition leader advocate Nelson Chamisa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Chiwenga, a man known for his unfiltered remarks, took a swipe at Chamisa, reducing him to nothing more than a goat herder. This comment, made during a public address, came at a time when the political atmosphere in Zimbabwe is at a boiling point, with Chiwenga standing firm with the ruling ZANU-PF party and Chamisa leading the charge for the opposition. But Chamisa, undeterred by the intended insult, came back with a retort that was both defiant and clever. Drawing from the pages of the Bible, he likened himself to David, the humble shepherd who triumphed over the giant Goliath. Chamisa's response: "It's game on. Do you know that the giant Goliath was defeated by David the goat herder and a mere shepherd?" Goddess in it was delivered with a confidence that resonated with his followers. This reference to the biblical tale underscored Chamisa's resilience and determination to challenge the ruling establishment and the status quo. This verbal duel between Chamisa and Chiwenga is a testament to the politically charged climate in Zimbabwe. It's a battlefield where words are weapons, ideologies clash, and the struggle for power is relentless. Chamisa's robust defense of his character and his strategic use of biblical symbolism to galvanize his base showcases his leadership prowess and his readiness to face adversity head-on. So, what did we learn from this exchange? It's clear that advocate Nelson Chamisa is a man of resilience and determination. His response to Chiwenga's insult not only defended his character, but also served as a rallying cry for his supporters. By invoking biblical narratives, he resonated with a population deeply rooted in religious beliefs and traditions. The outcome of this verbal joust remains to be seen. But one thing is clear: Chamisa is prepared to confront his adversaries head-on. His defiant stance sends a clear message in the arena of Zimbabwean politics, a place where rhetoric plays a pivotal role and the competition for power is fierce. In the end, Chamisa's response stands as a testament to his resilience, determination, and his unwavering commitment to navigate the turbulent waters of Zimbabwe's political landscape.